because just see your guess that it is made up of none other but plastic bottles. And it is used in one of the most popular.
आगे का रास्ता खाली है.
Sir, this is our lamp which is made up of pipe plastic. And I thought that using plastics for making such a presentation is a fabulous idea. Sir, that is our dolphin which is made up of plastic bottles of apparatus, and for decoration we use different types of colors and chart papers.
तुम कैसे आगे इधर थोड़ा
This painting was one beautiful picture. It was also very creative. And other painting and one
creation of Akhand Bharat in 20th century, week of satellite. Unity of diversity, this one is in the country. India is the best country to see there unity of diversity. In this India, many citizens live together without affecting their feelings and always respect their.
उसकी निष्पक्षता और पूर्वाग्रहों से मुक्त करता किसी भी जाति धर्म या समुदाय को जो हर भारतीय का प्रतीक है. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
It is all made up of old newspapers, and for decoration we use different types of colors, old newspapers, old walls. And actually sir, it shows our tradition as we Indians on any occasion or festival wanted to our Indian edition. So to make something that show our nation. Sir, it is an ice cream stick work. It is made up of ice cream stick which we always do here and there. So we use it as a house. Sir, this is also ice cream stick work. Actually it is a container that whatever we wanted to contain in it, we can. Sir, it is our kids presentation which is made up of matchstick and it is a sofa. Sir, these all are the plastic works and it is a container or pot, whatever we wanted. Sir, stationery kind of 11B. As you know, in our India, only little amount of drinkable water is present. So it's a high demand of our society to conserve rainwater. I'm glad to tell you that Tamil Nadu is the first Indian state that make the rainwater harvesting structure mandatory. Until now, up to 50,000 of rainwater harvesting structures are set up in capital city Chennai. One of the famous rainwater harvesting system is rooftop harvesting, in which water is collected from roof, pumped down through a pipe and then stored in underground tank, and later this water is come in our use. Now our next model is hemodialysis. As we know, a healthy kidney cleans our blood and separates the waste material in the form of urine. But what happens when kidney doesn't work? Then we have to place the artificial kidney that is known as dialyzer. It is placed in our arm with a minor surgery in our blood vessels. There are two chambers in hemodialysis. One is for our blood and one is for water fluid that is known as dialysis. Human excretory system. These are the group. So human excretory system, as we know, we all generate waste and in our body we have a proper mechanism to expel it out. So this function is carried out by our human excretory system, which includes two kidneys, two ureter, one urine regulator and one urine straw. Blood comes in kidney and later it will purify the blood and the urine comes through ureter and stored for some time in urine regulator and later it was expelled by urethra, as you can see here.
Good morning Swamiji and respected viewers.
Welcome to the math session of the Art and Science exhibition. As you can see, this is a geometrical city. In this city, all the geometrical shapes are used. That this is a cuboid, this is a cylinder, which is a water tank, and many other similar shapes are used, and many other geometrical shapes are used. Let's further move to our next project. This is a gas welding machine which burns in the presence of oxygen, produces CO2, and which is very hot plate. Let's further move to our next project, which is the volcano. The orange substance used here is the crystal of chromium dioxide, which is in green in color. The working is shown here. Here are several tanks. The first tank resembles the receiving chamber, in which all the sewage of a city or any town is collected. The water from the receiving chamber is further transferred to the sedimentation tank. In the sedimentation tank, all the big particles are settled down, and then the water is further transferred into the loading tank. And from the loading tank, the water is transferred from the filtration tank, where the small particles like sand and mud are.
Now our next project is shown. It is the biggest project which is used by the army. Now you can see how this works. Our next project is the washing machine. We know that washing machine is a very big machine which is used for the wash of laundry. Now this is the washing machine. The washing is used for removing the dust particles from the pieces, and this moves out the air is moved throughout, and it sucks the dust and air particles from the places. And from the results and from the usage, the 100% of the fluids are moved throughout our vacuum cleaner.
Welcome to computer department. This is Wi-Fi for computer, and this is Wi-Fi for light concentrating both light fidelity, and it is used for bidirectional high-speed communication wireless technology. And this is light wireless, and it uses singular 802.11 crowd, and this is used in between underwater. So it is benefit for us that we can use this underwater. This is used data transmit when we get a wall between the two one system to enable, so our working model was not done, and when we remove our hand, so our data transmit is again started from one system to another, so our working was completed. And this firstly, Wi-Fi can have the added person, but Wi-Fi can have it is discovered by Harold on March 2011, and it was the chairman of Mobile Communication Technology.
Good morning, Swamiji. I can do any work very fast.
The machine identity is programmable. It can do anything. It is a machine which is programmable, and when any person comes, any other person can sense it.
Good morning, madam. How are you? I am 21st century robot.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्वामी। हिंदी भाषा में प्रस्तुत 9 रस होते हैं। उनमें से पहला रस है भक्ति रस, जिस काव्य को पढ़ के मन में भक्ति की अनुभूति होती है उसे भक्ति रस कहते हैं। दूसरा है रौद्र रस, जिसका स्थायी भाव क्रोध होता है। जिस काव्य को पढ़ के मन में क्रोध का अनुभूति होती है उसे रौद्र रस कहते हैं। हास्य से राजसिक होता है उसे शांत रस कहते हैं। श्रृंगार रस, नायक और नायिका के परस्पर आकर्षण व प्रेम भाव श्रृंगार रस के अंदर आता है। करुण रस, जिस रस में दुख की आवृत्ति होती है उसे करुण रस कहते हैं। अद्भुत रस, जिस रस में आश्चर्यचकित कर देने वाली घटना होती है उसे अद्भुत रस कहते हैं। भयानक रस, जब किसी काव्य को पढ़कर या उसका परिणाम सोचकर मन में भय का उत्पत्ति होती है उसे भयानक रस कहते हैं। यहाँ पे हिंदी में हमारे भारत में प्रस्तुत महान लोग हैं, जैसे कि स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, करमपति स्वामी, स्वामी विवेकानंद। ऐसे महान व्यक्ति हमारे भारत भूमि में ही जन्मे। आर्यभट्ट भी हमारे भारत के हेतु उन्होंने 9 ग्रह का संचालन किया और जीरो की बातें पूरे संसार में। आज हमारी पृथ्वी प्रदूषित है। आज इसी पृथ्वी की ये दिशा है, आज हमें इसे सुरक्षित करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
The story of the lost child, and these are English poets, volunteer poets, and these are the poems of the English story of the great missionaries.
But Swamiji, this is the forest. There are water, trees, and there is lithosphere, and this is Mirar, which is situated in in Delhi. And there are Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who has banned the Sati Pratha and globalization and solar. When the earth and the sun comes between the moon, the solar eclipse.
Good morning, Samiji. It is a bus technology. It is work on one cable. There are many of networks are connected to this one cable. When one computer breaks, it not work.
We also want to make Varanasi a smart city. This is the model to get all the buildings in a aligned manner to do business.
Immediately
And it also shows the convenience of the
Right on the side. And this is a project which tells the hypotenuse, the length of hypotenuse base. If you rotate this, and this is the angle of hypotenuse. This is the calculator. This is the algebraic identity scalar, which can find a square plus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 2. This is the Newton's coefficient dot error. The amount of force applied from this side is equal to the amount of force applied from this side.
When we give a triangle, if the area of triangles is equals to half into base into height, and when we give the rectangle, it will give the formula of area of rectangle. And it is a structure of DNA. DNA is present in the nucleus of the human being. It is very important for the transmission of inheritance to the one parents to other parents. Our things are transported into three things: metals, non-metals, and materials. Metals are those elements which conduct electricity. Non-metals does not conduct electricity. It is a model of excretory system. It is important that excretory system is used to remove the wastage from the body. It is a free electric generator. When we rotate this, the electric light will hit the craft object where we use the waste material to decorate the things. This is made up of a waste material. It is very beautiful, and this is used to made up of a paper cuts. It is made up of a papers, and there is also made up of waste material which is used to decorate. Thank you.
They are the paintings. It was a fantastic painting, and these are the scenery, and these are the folk painting which was very famous in the West Bengal. And it was a landscape, and it was a photography, and it was also a still life painting, and it was a landscape, and it was also folk painting. And they are the scenes of landscape, and it was the scenery, and
Welcome to Bandura branch. This is an elementary school of the Soul area. This is depend upon the village area school.